Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is add two numbers, in which we are given two non-empty linked lists, that too in reverse order, and we have to add these two linked lists and return the answer also in the reverse order only. So why they are given in reverse order? Because think of it like we are doing the addition, so we have to take it from reverse order only. So that's why it is given in the question itself from the reverse order. Okay, cool. So let's see how we can do that. Just a second. So we can think of algorithm like merge two sorted arrays. We will have two pointers, temp1 and temp2, indicating to the head of the starting of the linked list respectively. Then we can traverse it and calculate the sum at temp1 as well as temp2. Now we have to take care of two things. There is a carry. Whenever we will add, there is a possibility that it will have a carry. So what we can do is we can initialize carry in the start with 0 and then calculate the sum and then add the carry into the sum. And we can create a new node. We have to create a new linked list, and every node will contain the sum percentage 10. Okay, as in the addition, for example, if the addition comes out to be 18, so in this case, so in 18 we only need 8 here, and we have to pass 1 as a carryover. So 18, 8 will come from 18 percentage 10, and carry will come from sum by 10. So let's see the code, through the code how we can accomplish this. Yeah guys, so let's see the code how we can accomplish this. So we have add two numbers as our function and to L1 and L2 as our list. So we can create a function add num. Now it's very simple. We have initialized two pointers temp1 and temp2 indicating the head of L1 and L2. We have also initialized the answer head node with 0. Okay, so we will calculate and return answer heads next as our answer. So we have initialized it with 0 and we have initialized our carry. Now while temp1 not equals to null and while temp2 not equals to null, that is, we will iterate up to the till one of the linked list is over, and we will first calculate the sum, add on the carry, and then again calculate the carry for that particular sum. Will calculate the temp variable new node with some percentage 10, and then we will simply move on the pointers. That is, first we will apply heads next as temp, and then we will move head to the temp, and temp1 and temp2 also we will move 1 point further. Now if one of the linked list is over, then same logic. Now one thing we need to take care of is, it might be that both the linked lists are over but the carry is still not 0. Yeah, as we can see in that 999 example, there will be carry after both the linked lists are over. So that case also we can handle by simply having a node for that carry as well. So, and finally we are returning answer heads next, as we have initialized the answer with 0. So answer heads next will have the first non-zero index, non-zero value from the linked list. So yeah guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.